Morning and welcome to Valley Brook Country Club. I'm John Shaw, Golf Course Superintendent. Valley Brook's a 27-hole private country club in the suburbs of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I'm here to explain our GPS sprayer, and we started this whole endeavor trying to do a better job of spraying our greens. In the past, we had noticed some overlaps, and those overlaps always show up in July and August, where you're repeatedly spraying in the same spots over and over. And at that point in time, you really have no idea what fungicide or fertilizer is causing the issue. You just know you have overlaps. And part of the reason why we all have overlaps in the golf industry is we have to designate an area where the sprayers are spraying. So we have markers across here. They're designated areas for the guys that are mowing the approach or the guys that are mowing the fairway. They know where to begin and to start, or begin and end. They always end in the same place or begin. And the same thing goes with the sprayer. The sprayer in the past always had to use this as his mark. So he would start spraying according to these marks up across the green, which always forced him to spray in the exact same pattern. Now certainly I would ask the employees to vary their patterns, but that doesn't always happen. So you get those continual overlaps. So they would spray the green down to this part, spray the green and the approach, and then the guy spraying the fairway, he now also knows where to stop. So this is the beginning and the end point for both spraying operations. Now with the GPS sprayer, we have 20-inch centers on the nozzles and they're individually controlled. So now we can do different angles. So now in my pesticide records we have, like for example, if we're spraying right to left, I can now write that down in the pesticide records that we sprayed this green today at a right to left angle. And then if we ever see anything funny happen, we can go back and it'll help us designate maybe which fungicide or fertilizer is causing the problem. The next time we spray, we might spray left to right, right to left, front to back. We can vary our patterns because we no longer have to follow this straight line, because the sprayer can snap on and off across here, creating that straight line. So I started this whole endeavor trying to do a better job spraying the greens to eliminate those overlaps. But in the end, we ended up saving money because we're saving about 20 to 23% on the sprays. So we're saving chemicals, fertilizers, and in the end, we end up saving money. So I'm happy with the performance as far as the overlaps go, but my committees here, especially the finance committee, they like the fact that I was able to give some monies back, and it's all been good. Thanks.